Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Open Shortcuts and create a new shortcut. Make sure iOS is up to date and Shortcuts is installed. Add the Speak Text action as your first step. This is the control that uses iPhone TTS voices. Once added, tap the action to expand it so you can access additional settings. This gives you the controls you need to change which voice speaks and prepares the shortcut for language and voice selection in the next step. Once the Speak Text action is expanded, open Show More to reveal language, voice, and speaking rate. Select the language that matches your content, then pick the specific voice variant listed for that language. Use the small play/preview button to listen, make adjustments to rate until it sounds natural. If you need different pronunciation, tweak the text, or add SSML-like pauses by inserting commas and line breaks. This step ensures the chosen voice. Save the shortcut and run it to confirm the voice behaves as expected. Once done, assign a trigger, set a Siri phrase, add a home screen widget, or create an automation so it runs hands-free. If the voice option isn't available or plays a default voice, make sure the specific voice is downloaded in Settings Accessibility Spoken Content Voices, then restart Shortcuts. If problems persist, reboot the device and check for an iOS update. These steps fix most voice selection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.